Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you? Hope you all would be fine. I welcome you to my channel and your channel TRICKSY Tips, in which you will get all the information on IT related technologies, and you will polish your skills on different IT topics and you will get updated. So I post videos in this my channel from time to time to bring into your knowledge the various IT things and the different courses of IT I will offer you for free in this YouTube channel. So I request you, if you are new, to please like and subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell button, and then you will be informed from all of my videos, and you will take the maximum benefits whenever I get online. And whenever you see the notification, you can easily click and you will see the video and take the benefit from it. So before starting today's class, I will give you a brief introduction to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software which is presented by Microsoft, the giant of IT. So this software is used for data analysis, data presentation, and data visualization, from which you can present your results, desired results from your data. You can show it to your management, and the decision making is dependent on the data. So working on Excel is easy if you have command on its several functions and its different working methods, and you will learn it by experience, by the way. But you watch my videos and start practicing, so Excel will be never easy as much as these days with my videos. I don't give you any challenge, but I assure you that while you watch all my videos from the start to the end, then you will easily become comfortable on working with Excel. So today's topic will be on inserting pictures in your sheet. In several times you have to insert a picture on your sheet, on your worksheet. So there are different ways to do it. I will give you an easy way of doing this, inserting a picture. You can directly insert a picture from an online resource by going to Insert tab and then Online Pictures. And then this will load and I will search for it. For example, I want to search for sun. So this will search in the online community, and then I will pick the picture of sun from here and they will insert it. So in no time the picture of sun will be inserted in your page. You can take it you can make it your Excel working theme, or you can resize it and you can take it as a design. Using of designs make your worksheet, make your work very attractive. So you can see it here. If you want to put borders on this page, you can, on this data, you can easily put borders, outside borders. Now you can see if you want to write something X, Y, Z, and 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, you can plot here something. So today we have learned how we can insert pictures and make our worksheet more attractive. In the next video we will learn some more interesting other things, and till then, take care of yourself and your family, and in the next video we will meet inshallah. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.